Hey everybody, so I just got a package and I thought everyone would enjoy opening this with me. It is the brand new RUCKUS ICX 8200 CO8 PFV. So this is part of RUCKUS's new Pro AV line of switches. And you'll see there is some significant differences over the standard 8200 CO8 PF, I should say. So let's have a look at that. Let's open it up and take a look. All right, so first thing we got in the box, we have a not very exciting code to download the quick start guide, and we have some links to documentation and some warnings. So put those aside and let's get on to the show. We have our accessory box here, which we'll open in a minute, and then the switch itself. And finally, we have a standard power cord. So that's different than most 8200s, which don't include a power cord. This one does. So we'll get rid of that box. Then we'll unwrap our switch. So the first thing you're going to notice is that this switch is black. All right, so all the other 8200 compacts are all white, and 7150 compacts, 6400 compacts, they were all white. So what you'll notice is it's black, first of all, right? And you'll notice the front of the switch has no ports on it. So that is the primary difference between the Pro AV line and the standard switches, is that in a standard switch, they're designed to be mounted on the front of the rack, and so you can get to the ports easily. In the Pro AV sector, you don't want port lights, you don't want Ethernet lights flashing while you're trying to watch a movie in your home theater or wherever it is, right? So all of the important ports are moved to the back of the unit. So in this case, we've got the power here on the back, we have Kensington lock port, we have a USB, we have an out-of-band management, we have our 8 gigabit Ethernet ports, and then our 2 SFP ports, all on the back, right? So this is passive cooled, there's no fan in it, so it's silent, of course. And then on the front, we have indicator lights in the console port. However, you can turn off all of these lights either through the app or with this button, this status button. You can push it a few times and turn off all of the lights and have this totally blacked out while you are, while it's operational. So totally up to you. Other interesting thing you'll note is there is no RJ45 console port for the first time, right? This is an RJ45 out of band, but there is no RJ45 console as there usually would be. So if this was a console, the symbol here would be 101010 to show binary. So the console is on the front, so you can get to it, but it's USB-C only. So the other interesting thing to note is in our accessory box here, we have mounting screws. So there's a couple screw holes on the bottom. If you really want to mount it that way and you don't want to rack mount it, it's up to you, or desk mount it. You have some feet here, so if you want to put rubber feet on it and desktop mount it, you can do that. It's got a power cord retainer. So, and then lastly, as I said before, this is a USB-A to USB-C serial console port, right? So no RJ45 console cable for the first time comes in the box. So this is a big deal. The 8100 line that was just released also does not have an RJ45 console. So I don't know whether that's the future going forward in all switches, but certainly is on these ones. So for comparison, I thought I would bring over a regular CO8 PF. So there it is. You'll see that it's white. You'll see the ports are on the front, the USBs on the front, the RJ45 and the USB-C consoles on the front, and the out-of-band management. And on the back, we have the Kensington lock and the power, right? So very, very different layout than the Pro AV model, and you know, there's certainly valid reasons why. So the physical differences are certainly pretty stark on the Pro AV line versus the standard line, but there's also things like built-in profiles. So if you're running Dante, for example, you could just apply the Dante profile to switch ports that are running Dante, and it will automatically set up all the required QoS and other parameters for you. But we'll get into that at a later date. But anyway, I received that. I wanted to show you to you. Pretty cool new addition to the RUCKUS switch family. All right, so thanks very much, and see you soon.